To our COVID-19 coverage now, there's no doubt Governor Jared Polis and President Donald Trump are on opposite ends of the political spectrum.
However, that didn't stop both from meeting today at the White House. Both men united against a common foe. News Channel 13's Chase Golightly brings us the highlights from their meeting today, telling us what they discussed and what the governor had to say after the meeting. Chase?
Heather Barr, Governor Polis made it clear he didn't come to Washington, D.C. to debate the president on policy. It was all about what the federal government can do to further help the COVID-19 fight here in Colorado.
Governor Jared Polis had two main jobs Wednesday when he met with President Donald Trump, discussed the future supply chain of medical supplies coming into Colorado, and update the president on what's going on here in our state.
How's the level of infection right now?
At the public meeting, President Trump asked Polis about a variety of topics, from infection rates and restaurant closings to testing and even the state's ski industry.
How are you doing with the skiing? And, it's a big business for you.
It's a big business. It's also one of the reasons that we got a lot of the virus in our state, because people come from all over the world.
I've heard that.
After updating the president on what's happening, Governor Polis met with him privately for about 20 minutes, making a request for more testing supplies, which the president reportedly approved.
In fact, 96,000 tests and related equipment from Thermo Fisher have arrived and are being sent out to Colorado within the next day or two. That's part of the 195,000 that we expect for the month of June through our partnership with the federal government.
He also talked to the president about a FEMA program that will supply nursing homes with additional PPEs.
I urge the president to continue that program through June and July.
And in a show of bipartisanship, President Trump spoke highly of Governor Polis.
And I think we've worked together very well. And one, you would expect me to say that, but it happens to be true, okay? Really good job, too.
Because as the governor has said all along, this was never about debating political views.
This is not a time to air differences on unrelated policies. This is a time for all Americans to work together.
Reporters even asked Governor Polis today if he and the president had a chance to discuss mail-in voting, something the president has denounced, but which has been a big success here in Colorado. Polis said he did not, reiterating that the purpose of today's meeting stayed very focused on health issues. Reporting live in our newsroom, Chase Golightly, KRDO News Channel 13.